Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life. In this video, I'm going to be talking about fix this next. And this video is going to be what you can fix and what you have control over. And I was reading a quote from Rolling Thunder this morning that said that people have given their health to their doctor, their soul to their preacher, their children to their schools, and their money to the banker. And so I want to talk about our health. I mean, that's something that we have total control over. If you think about it, we have so much control over our health, yet we say things like my client said to me the other day, I'm an emotional eater. And so if he's thinking he's an emotional eater, well, he's going to find himself in the pantry and in the fridge, all over the kitchen, eating when he's not feeling good. And there's a lot of circumstances right now that you could feel bad about, or we could feel bad about, and head to the kitchen and eat our way to happiness. And that doesn't work. I mean, you think about it, you can really pack on the weight. And, I've heard the term COVID-15, meaning putting on 15 pounds. And I was shocked by it. I mean, if you think about it, do we really need to accept that? Do we really need to put on 15 pounds? And I'll have a solution for you at the end, which I'm calling the Lefebvre 15, which is only 15 minutes of activity to avoid that, to shorten that experience and make that experience better, so that you're not putting on 15 pounds, because you don't need to. So we do have control over our health. We do have control over what we put into our bodies. And the way that I solve that, and the way that you can solve it, is by not buying low value, low nutrient food, bagged food, processed foods. That's one of the easiest ways to manage that. I mean, think about it. It's kind of crazy, don't you think, that we've accepted that foods that are dried and put in bags and that are crunchy are considered food now. I was watching a video the other day where it showed about how they make potato chips, and the boiling in the oil and all that, and the drying, and then the sprinkling of I don't know, some sort of spice or something like that on it, flavoring. How far removed is that from a potato in the field? I mean, it's no longer a potato. It's now a piece of dried something, and we call it a food. And it's not even real. It's food-like substance. It's not real food. So we have control over that. We have control over what we put into our bodies, and we should start at the store, at the grocery store. Pick the foods that we want, that are nutrient rich, that are organic if you want to buy organic, but choose foods that are better for you. Otherwise, what's going to happen? You're going to put low value, low nutrient food into your body. You're not going to feel good. You're not going to have the energy that you need to make it through your day, and you're going to take some caffeine or some other substance to spike your energy, and then you're going to crash at some point in time. So that's not valuable at all. I mean, you can get up like I do here in my morning, go for a walk, do some exercise, drink lots of water, put the best foods in your body. It's that easy if you start focusing your attention on that and not letting the middle aisles in the grocery store attract you. Those crackers and boxed foods and so on, the simple things, what we call simple, but they're not. You can go to the vegetable and fruit section and get the best stuff for you and do simple and have a simple diet. So, as I mentioned earlier, instead of having the COVID-15 and putting on 15 pounds, do the Lefebvre 15. 15 minutes of activity every day. I'm going to provide you with a video. It's got a checklist in it. You can create your own 15-minute activity every day and avoid the COVID-15. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, go over there and check it out. There's other videos that will help you live a full and happy life. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.